Another day, another story. Hey there, fellow travelers, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly special in store for you. We're embarking on a captivating adventure to a destination that's known for its rich history, delicious cuisine, and vibrant nightlife, Portugal. Sunny Lisbon. Our journey begins in the heart of Portugal, the stunning city of Lisbon. As the sun kisses the iconic pastel-colored buildings, you'll be mesmerized by the beauty of this place. Stroll through the charming streets of Alfama, explore São Jorge Castle, and be sure to capture breathtaking views from Miradouro da Senhora do Monte. Culinary delights. Portugal is a food lover's paradise, and we're diving headfirst into its culinary wonders. Don't miss the opportunity to savor a traditional pastel de nata, indulge in bacalhau à brás, salted codfish, and sip on the world-famous port wine in Porto. Join us as we explore local markets, interact with friendly chefs, and learn the art of making Portuguese cuisine. Adventure awaits. Portugal isn't just about its cities, it's also a land of natural beauty. Lace up your hiking boots and join us as we explore the lush landscapes of Sintra, take in the stunning coastal views of the Algarve, and surf the Atlantic waves in Peniche. The adventures here are as diverse as the country itself. Vibrant nightlife. As the sun sets, Portugal transforms into a lively and vibrant party destination. Lisbon's Bairro Alto and Porto's Ribeira are buzzing with energy. From fado music to contemporary beats, we'll take you on a journey through Portugal's eclectic nightlife scene. Be ready to dance the night away. Hidden gems. Portugal is also home to countless hidden gems. Explore the enchanting village of Abidos, get lost in the mystical Sintra forest, and discover the ancient allure of Évora. These hidden treasures are sure to make your trip even more unforgettable. And there you have it, fellow travelers, a glimpse into the incredible experiences that await you in Portugal. Whether you're seeking culture, cuisine, adventure, or nightlife, Portugal has it all. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you're excited to embark on this journey with us. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, keep exploring, keep wandering, and keep making memories. See you in Portugal. Thanks for watching.